Action.
So my name is Clarissa Thompson. I am from Utah. I work at an athletics spa in South Jordan, and we offer joint injections and a bunch of different other services. But what I really liked about the course today is very thorough, very well put together, and I learned a ton. So I'd recommend it to anybody.
And what would you say was your favorite part about the training?
My favorite part of the training was it's very hands-on. So I feel like other places you might not get that, and here it was great.
Did you receive a procedure?
I personally did not, but there were multiple other people that did,
And-
and they really liked their experience. So
And were you able to administer and practice on the other doctors and veterans that came in?
yeah, and it was excellent.
Awesome. And would you recommend the R3 training to other providers?
Definitely, highly recommend for sure.
Could you give us a couple of reasons why you'd recommend it?
Like I said, very thorough, very well put together. RK was phenomenal. He definitely knew his anatomy, and I think as a provider, it will help my practice.
Awesome. All right. Thank you.
Okay.